Well, good day. It is the 10th of June, quarter after 11. I normally sleep at this time. And I am at the Lachine Canal. I just happen to be in the neighborhood. I seldom come down here, basically for a dentist appointment. And I thought, hey, I'll do a little video. I got swan boats there. So we're gonna check out the Atwater market. It's one of two famous markets here in Montreal. There's Jean Talon Market, and there's the Atwater Market. So we're gonna go over the Lachine Canal. Lachine means China. Don't ask me why. Apparently they thought this water went to China. I find that hard to believe, but I'll check out the story. But here, let's go over the little bridge. A lot of condos here. It's a nice canal. It's actually a pretty cool part of town. Walk your bike, huh? Let's take a look. See, there's an Amsterdam type boat. See those all over Amsterdam. And England too. Basically Europe. Okay. Looking good. There's downtown. So it's rainy and miserable. And look at that. We're back. Got too many cans. I've been there. I feel your pain, my friend. So, I should take a picture. Okay, so let's continue. I had to take a few pictures. Wow, that guy's got a lot of cans. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow, he's a millionaire. Okay, it's actually a kind of cool area here. Place du Marché. Turned out to be a beautiful day. Okay, well, you know where the wife would be. Wow, flower zone. She'd be in the flower zone here. Somewhere. Okay. All right. Nice. And a heck of a flower. Okay, sorry. Okay, wow, quite impressive flower market. We're gonna go inside, obviously. Let's take a look around. So obviously the flowers are seasonal. That beautiful building there is year round. Okay. Wow. All right, you get that? Atwater Market, 10th of June, 2025. So let's see what's going on inside. Oh, smelling good. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh. Hey. That smells good. The barbecue, the chicken. Okay.
I think we got him here last week.
Hey, you got all kinds of stuff. Bullacon. So this is the indoor market. Still looking pretty cool. Nice fish. Okay, all kinds of stuff. I used to work at the Jean Talon market. It's quite a scene. Ah, scones, huh? People always ask, is it local? Is it local? You come in the middle of the winter and pick up a mango. You go, is it local? That's Canada. Not local. Those berries are local. Pizza mia. I knew there had to be an indoors. Okay, we'll go to the end. Asparagus, $5. Asparagus. pass.
On va aller faire le tour d'abord. Oui, vas-y. Tu vas regarder les plans.
Ah. Okay. Just roaming around the geraniums. I got lost here. Get out of here. Somebody tries to sell me a geranium. Hey, let's go down the middle. There we go. See? Oh, it smells good. Do they have cheese bread? I love cheese bread. What kind of bread do they have? Ah, un morsel. That's it. So we're inside the Atwater Market. This is year round. Nice looking meat. Nice. All kinds of stuff. Whoa. Okay, I'm starting to get hungry. Biological beef. Clos de Henri. Butchers. Cookies. The cookie lady. I'd always wanted to be the cookie lady. Except I ate too many cookies and they fired me. Pasta bella. Abalese. Oh, eggnog. Nice. Tabagi. Olive oil, huh? Hey, I have to drive all the way to Ottawa. All right, so we're back here. Oh, falafel. Noodles, huh? What do I want to eat? Good. Wow. We'll be eating. Okay, now find my stupid wife. Okay. Atwater Market. Beautiful day, lots of flowers. We have a garden. What's this going to cost me? That's all I can think about. Okay, now I have to find my stupid wife. And you see it flowers. Okay. I normally don't have to pick up the phone, but I might have to. Okay, want to see your wife? Found her. See, always